YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty and this is my handmade lifestyle. I wanted to share my lunch with you today, and I went for it's basically a pigs in a blanket type of thing. I don't know, I was in the store, it's cold out, I wanted comfort food. I haven't had this in I don't know how many years. It looked good, so I made it. Doing a side salad with a little bit of ranch and olives, but the star of the show is making these vegetarian pigs in a blanket in the air fryer. So make sure that you stick around to see what I did. This is what I'm using in that recipe. I just found these veggie hot dogs. I thought they looked really good, and these just, I normally don't buy this kind of stuff, but I don't know, it just sounded really good. I think I'm just craving comfort food because it's cold and it's dreary again, and this sweet Hawaiian Crescent sounded really good with the smart dogs and the cheese for good old pigs in a blanket. So let's wrap them up and put them in the air fryer and see what we get. I haven't eaten regular hot dogs and I don't even know how long, like decades. So when I have a craving for a hot dog, I always get these smart dogs. And these Crescent Rolls, oh my lord, I don't know when I had those last. I've kind of let these sit probably too long. I think they work better when the dough is colder. There we go. I'm gonna roll them out. Okay, here they are in the air fryer basket, and you know, they look kind of a mess, but you know what, that's okay. They're going to cook up and they're going to be delicious. So I'm going to spritz them just like I always do. And let's look at the package instructions to figure out how we want to cook them. Okay, for these instructions, 350 on a dark cookie sheet, baking for 9 to 12 minutes. Okay, we're going to turn this down to 330, and we're going to go 10 minutes. We're 5 minutes in. Let's see how they look. Oh, they look pretty good. I might cover so they don't over brown, but oh, that looks good so far. All right, and then all you have to do is slip the jar back in and the air fryer will pick up where it left off. I was distracted watching TV and the air fryer went off. Oh, but let's see what we've got. Oh my goodness, they look really, really good. Okay, let's get them out. Looks really good so far. All right, let's try it out. All right, let's cut it in half and see what they look like inside. Nice melty cheese. Nice crispy crust. Let's see how it is dipped in the mustard. This is really good. It's better than it should be, to be honest. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. I would definitely recommend it if you have kids and you need a really quick weeknight dinner. I can't imagine any kid not liking this. And you can use regular hot dogs, but honestly, if you don't tell them, they're not going to know they're veggie dogs. So I would say that the pigs in a blanket and the air fryer are like really super good, and I highly recommend it. And I will put the full instructions on what I did in the description below. Okay, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and finish having my lunch, and I will see you in the next video.